Okay.
Good morning, everybody. So we're going to start a subject matter which we started last year, and if my recollection is correct, we did 24 classes last year on this subject, and we're going to start it again for a second year, and once more run into ideas and help you understand the Rebbe's vision. That's the name of the class. The Rebbe's vision, the Hasidic movement of Chabad, one of the largest movements in the 20th, 21st century, spearheaded by one person, which is an amazing story. How one person had the ability to create today close to 5,000 institutions. And that's something which you got to really sit back and say, it's not by accident, and it's not by a good public relations guy that's doing it, because Chabad is not the most attractive thing to the average Jew. You know, we're competing against organizations that are a lot more attractive than us, but somehow or another there's a message, and in that message it's resonating with people, and I just want to teach it a little bit, so therefore you understand what's taking place here. What was the teachings of this man that now 25 years after his passing, passed in 1994, the movement not only hasn't shrunk, it has expanded in leaps and bounds. And I always use the example of this state. When the Rebbe passed away in 94, there were 5 Chabad houses. Today there's over 30 Chabad centers in the greater Boston. In the greater Boston. There was 5 Chabad houses. There was Sharon, there was Lexington, there was Natick, there was Andover, and there was Swampscott. And no, Newton didn't yet exist. And there was BU University. That's it. So 6 actually. And I always leave out the college campus more. 6. And today there's over 30. There's over 8 on college campuses.
5 times.
Forget about communities. There are already 8 college campuses that Chabad is on today in universities in the greater Boston area. So it begs the question, what is it?